Hello everyone, welcome to So Happy. How are you all doing? Today I decided to talk about a dress that I've just finished because I was just wondering what to talk about this time. The last time I spoke about, in my previous video, I spoke about the importance of pre-shrinking our fabrics, and in that video I demonstrated with some fabrics that I had already washed and was getting ready to sew. So this is the finished garment right here. It is a sheath dress or a classic dress that I like the design because it would be hard for this to go out of fashion. It's got princess seam lines and it's also in a color block pattern whereby it gives the opportunity for you to see enhances the figure quite nicely. It has a scoop neck as I mentioned, but it also can be done in a V-neck. It's at the back. It's got a zip, and then it's got a vent at the back. Yeah, so it can be without sleeves or with sleeves, and as I said, the princess seam lines give the body a nice figure and also follows the contours of the body. Yeah, one thing it has that I don't particularly like is that it has a box sleeve. I suppose someone might find it but I didn't pay attention to the fact that it has a box sleeve. But the next dress I make of this design would be without sleeves. So yeah, so this is just what I wanted to point out. I also wanted to say that if you are unsure of how the dress is going to turn out, it's best if you make it in calico first. Just a minute, let me yeah, so if you make it in a kind of a tulle or a calico, it's better because it will prevent you from wasting your fabric. This design, I decided to make it first in calico. Usually I don't do that, but because I wasn't sure, because it's more of a close fitting dress or design, I didn't want to make it and it to be too tight. And thank God I actually did it first in the calico because I realized that it was really tight. I actually, but when I sat down, with this, wearing this, the whole seams just split. So I was like, wow. So then it made me go back to the drawing board and reshape the whole thing. And if you are using a pattern, there's no way that you can just buy the pattern, make it, and then it will fit. You always have to do adjustments. And like I said, when I made it, it was a bit on the tight side. And there's this famous designer that said that a dress should be tight enough to show that you are a woman and loose enough to prove that you are a lady. And of course, I wouldn't want to wear, at my age, not wear something that is so tight. And then once I sat down, the whole thing just rolled up with all my thighs showing. That's not my kind of style. So yeah, so in order to prove that I'm a lady, I need to wear something that conceals at least my thighs a bit. So yeah, so this is the outcome of the dress. Next time I would make it the center part in something maybe in black and white or whatever. But if you want more information, kindly just send me a message because it's good if we get to interact a bit. So anything that you want to ask, if you do want to ask, kindly send a message. This is a dress that will suit different figure types. There are about 6 figure types, and what I want to do is each week I'm going to be naming a figure type and talking about dresses that would suit that are different figure types. One thing that a good dress should do is to be able to create harmony between the shoulder and the hip line, and then also be able to create an illusion of a narrower waist. That is when you will tend to get an outcome that is pleasing to the eye. it also should create harmony between the wearer and the garment. So those are some of the things that help to define or help to enhance or help to create a balanced and harmonious outfit. So yes, like I said, from next week I'm going to be talking more about each figure type. Each week I will name a different figure type. We've got the hourglass, we've got rectangular, we've got inverted triangular figure types. So yeah, so each week I would like to talk about one figure type and also talk about designs that suit that particular figure type. So yeah, so once again, I'm just demonstrating the dress that I was, this is the fabric or the outcome of the fabric that I pre-shrunk in the video I did previously. So yeah, so anyway, I will be back. Yeah, so this is the dress that is I've just finished, and just wanted to show you what it looks like. This is the back, and yeah, so once again, next week I will be talking about different figure types and how we can use or choose styles that help to enhance figure types. So once again, this is Senna from So Happy, showing my dress that I just finished, and I hope that you have a lovely day. So once again, my dress, and bye for now. Have a lovely day.